Look at this goddamn me. Look at that goddamn me. Chef is down. Chef is down. Sitting up here cooking at work. Hand slipped off the goddamn brick while I'm cleaning the grill. And yeah, my hand fried at a 350 degree, goddamn me. Now I'm sitting up here in the hospital, goddamn me. Oh yeah, I got 2 big ass tumors sitting on my hand now. Ain't that a trip, goddamn me? Chef is down. That do not feel good at all. Ouch. Oh yeah. That hurt, goddamn me. Chef is down, goddamn me. When I say chef is down, chef is down. I'm sitting up here in the goddamn hospital now. I done had a good day eating all that good food to sitting up in here eating crackers now. Oh yeah, they taking care of your boy though. Look at them 2 big ass tumors. Wear the proper gloves, y'all, when y'all cooking on them damn industrial grills. You got to wear the proper material that's required, because you'll be sitting up here like me with tumors on your thumb if you don't. Oh yeah.